Do you guys have a quick 3 minutes? All right, let's clean off my quote unquote beverage station. You guys, this area is one of the sore spots in my kitchen. It has become a catch all, and for some reason, we just can't seem to put things back in their homes over in this area. So, that is exactly what I took the time to do. I was randomly just in the kitchen on a Saturday or a Sunday morning. I can't remember what day it was, but I was like, I'm tired of it looking like this. Let's just clean it up. And I also decided to make it a bit more efficient. So what you see me doing now is just clearing everything off. A lot of these things actually do have homes. I just needed to take the time to put them there and stop being, I won't call myself lazy, but we were just not putting things back where they belong. So I put the things back belong where that had homes, and there probably wasn't a thing on this countertop that didn't actually have a home, as I've already said. Now, this Lazy Susan, it really was not working for the space. I really wanted this to work so that I could just kind of use it to turn things around and take our little drink additives off of there in an easy way. But truth be told, my son really loves to spin things, and I didn't want him to spin it. So we couldn't even really use the Lazy Susan. I tucked it back in that corner. So I'm taking that out of the space and starting all over again. Here I am just wiping everything down, and it's looking crystal clean. I just used the Clorox wipe, y'all, as you saw. And I went in my closet and grabbed these little stages. I purchased these from Target in the one spot a long time ago, and I put them in my closet because I was like, they were only about $3 or $5. I'm pretty sure they were $3 a piece. And I said, I can use these for something. I have no idea what I'm going to use them for, but they're a pretty good price, and I feel like I can put them to good use. And this was the time. So I went and got them from my closet and decided to try them out here in our little beverage station. And as you can see, it's working perfectly. I was able to declutter everything, put everything in its home, and pull everything away from just random spaces. And now it's super neat, super clear. And when I look at this space, I don't have a headache again. And because it's more functional with these little acrylic stages, me and my husband and my family are inspired to keep it neat. Here's an area that you didn't see on the top. I have these acrylic shelvings or shelves where we keep other drink powders, medicines that we need to use immediately, so I'm not going up in the cabinet. And we also keep our vitamins up there. That's the video, guys. Thank you for cleaning my drink area with me, and stay tuned to see how this space continues to evolve. Bye.